Welcome back to Dadskillz. Tonight we're doing something slightly different. We're going to try and go and get a couple of nice pictures of the van. Now I spent yesterday, last night and this morning polishing the van, cleaning the van, polished all the windows. I blacked up all the bumpers and things, and so I want to take, if I can, a really nice picture of the van. So when we get there, we'll have a little scout round to see where the best place might be. And I'm hoping that after it's been such a nice day, there's a little bit of cloud in the sky, and when the sun goes down, we'll get a really nice colour of some sort, hopefully a nice pinky colour in the sky. I've also got a little helper with me, and we've got loads of gear with us. So I've got my DSLR camera, got a Nikon 5300, which I haven't used for too long, and so I had a little sit down and look at it, and I've forgot a lot, so I'm going to be a bit rusty with it, but we'll catch up with you when we get there. Right, so here we are. I reckon this is just about the right spot. I thought I was going to face the van the other way, but I've got the sunset just over the bonnet, and by the look of it we'll get some nice colour on the white paintwork. Let me just show you how well the van has come out. Look how black it looks, the bumper. It looks fantastic. It looks pretty cool, I reckon. Look at that, we've even got some colour off the white. I've got people sat there watching me, which is interesting. So I'm just going to have a little walk around with the proper camera, get a few shots, maybe down here somewhere, so I can come to that in a moment when the sun is got a bit more colour in it. I can set up and take that shot. Okay, so this is our second part of the shoot, and more noisy but rather more exciting is I've parked the van there, and we'll set up maybe here somewhere like that maybe, and we'll do a couple of long exposures so we get the light trails coming down there and some red ones going up there. And then I've also bought some, there we go, some RGB lights with me, so we can paint some light around the van as well, so that might be quite interesting. So we just wait for it to get a bit darker. The old lights will start coming on soon, but that's no problem. We'll get set up and we'll show you what we're doing. So we didn't actually do any more recording after that. It all got a bit hectic. My daughter was getting bored, and I was racing around trying to get a couple of decent pictures that I could stitch together. But you've seen the picture anyway in the thumbnail, but there's a few more pictures I'll put up at the end. I just thought I'd show you a few things that I was using at the time to get the colours. So I've got a couple of these RGB lights, generic jobs off Amazon, a couple of those. I've got this was an Amazon purchase, Camelo. Seems to be a decent thing for the price point. There are some that are more expensive, I'll show you in a moment, but that's about 47 quid off Amazon. That came in quite nicely. But the one that actually makes those beautiful lines is this thing. This is it, I think you pronounce it Yongno. See that? Yongno. And then you can just about see that. Got loads of different colours, loads of RGB colours. The white and the warm white are very bright. This was a second-hand purchase off eBay actually. So that's what I used. Enough of those. Let's look at the photos. So that was great, worked out really well. Got to spend some quality time with my daughter, and she took some photos as well, which were really good. So that's it from the Dadskillz car channel today. YouTube have recommended a video for you that will be on your screen in a moment, but until the next time, I'll see you again. Cheers.